It's the Social Networker, this one brought to you by Mozy Pro. Mozy Pro is your online backup solution. Hey everybody, welcome to another Social Networker as we delve more into some security settings and things that you should be looking at for some upcoming events we have. I want to talk to you about your Twitter settings and the applications you allow, be it some of the third-party applications, the ones on your smartphones or wherever they are. You're going to find inside of your settings page, and we'll take a look, is that if you go in and take a look at your actual timeline, you'll see, of course, everything you've been posting. You'll notice it tells you what type of client you're using. If you jump over, though, to your settings and go to applications, what you're going to find is a list of all the applications that you've authorized over the years, be it a remote client or a third-party web client that's been done or an add-on for group management or profile tools or whatever it is as long as Twitter's been around. You'll also see that they're listed by date that you actually enabled them, not alphabetically, but in reverse chronological order. So the most recent one you did will be at the top and the oldest at the bottom. If you look at my list, it's ridiculously long. That means over the period of time of Twitter, I've authorized all these apps. So what's the big deal? The big deal is pretty simple. As you authorize these apps, if something ever happens to them, or they get hacked, or they're not that kind anymore, which is one that happened to some friends of mine just a short while ago, including one tweet to my own timeline. It went through and it was a follower app, and it actually shot tweets into my timeline that then, of course, were not what I wanted people to see. So you need to go through every so often, make sure you go, and if you look, every one of these is set to read and write access, meaning not only are they able to see what's in there, but they can write things to it. So if you've authorized an app, go into your settings, go into the applications tab, and go ahead and make sure that you're still using these. If you're not, deauthorize. The next time you try to use it, you'll get prompted again and you'll know. Quick tip before we get more into our security stuff at the Social Networker.